So they want us to write each of these in radical form. Radical form means don't write them as rational exponents or decimal exponents. Write them with radical square roots or cube roots or eighth roots or whatever. So for this one, this is just 1 to the 1/4 power just means the 4th root of a and b. For this one, the negative power means it's 1 over the positive power, right? And then it's the 7th root of z squared. So it would be 1 over the 7th root of z squared. And this one's maybe a little bit trickier. So I'm going to first rewrite this as a fraction. What's negative 6/2 the same, or 6.5 the same as? 6.5 is the same as, remember, multiply that, add that, 13/2. Right, so this is the same as negative 13/2, which means that equals 1 over the square root of x to the 13th. You don't have to write a 2 on the outside there, but you can. You assume it's a 2 if you don't have anything written on the outside of a radical.